Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I'm here with my Glowforge, and my friends, I am having an issue. Let me show you what I got. Maybe you guys got a tip that'll help me out. Alright, so for about a week, I have been offline each day when I start school. Printer is on, and it was working at the end of the other day, so I'm going to just redo the steps to set it up. Once again, lighten up the hotspot. So I'm going to connect to my internet real quick. And then I'm going to go to setup.glowforge.com. Of course, scroll to the bottom. Continue like we always do. Once again, we hit continue. It's waiting for me to connect. Of course, with that, we simply go over and choose the Glowforge. You can see that I can see it. It, of course, found it just like it always does, and then I type in the password. When I hit connect, it will find it, and I will be good until I quit the day. But then tomorrow, I'll be back, and it won't let me in again. So here I'm back at my main computer connected to the LAN, and you can see that it is stuck on focusing. You'll notice over here at the Glowforge, it doesn't look like it's focusing yet. So I'm going to just open it and center it and see if that gives it a boost. And there you can see, it finally focused and moved back to home and is ready to print. Alrighty friends, so I am finding a way to connect each day, but it seems really weird after almost a year of having to just be there every day to all of a sudden have it going away is odd. I've talked to my IT guy, he says he hasn't changed a thing, so I'm just a little confused. If you guys have got a tip, please add it down below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you've got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.